So guys, another thing I want to talk about is the actual fuel filters. The actual filter that Toyota put out as a genuine fuel filter is a little different to pretty much the Terrain Tamer and the Ryco fuel filters, which were the Z252X. Now these don't have a recess that allows the fuel to flow freely within your fuel filter to your engine, and that creates a problem. And initially I thought that was the problem with my vehicle, but the right filter for this is the Z252Z. Here we have a picture of the fuel filter housing and the fuel filter. Now without a recess, when you screw up the fuel filter, the incorrect fuel filter will actually bottom out against the fuel filter housing, and this will restrict the fuel flow to your engine. So that's definitely a problem when you're trying to diagnose what's happening, and it could be rough idle, it could be fuel flow, and it could all just be that wrong fuel filter. So the right fuel filter is with the recess, and it's basically the same as the genuine. So the Z252Z is the upgraded version that Ryco now sells, and there's a bit of a link to it here that you can download their specifications, and it tells you a little about it. But it actually has the recess just like the genuine Toyota fuel filter does. So really important to make that change if you haven't made it. And there are a lot of people out there that are selling these genuine Toyota, well not genuine, but aftermarket Toyota fuel filters, and they're still selling the Z252X, and that's the wrong filter. You're going to have problems and restrictions in your fuel. So check that out next time you're doing your fuel filter change, or have a look to see if it is different and swap it out, because you'll get better performance without a doubt.